That shit's fire.
Hey, what is up? Today we will be heading out to Cloud9 Exotics. They're doing a car show and a sneaker convention. I don't really know much about shoes, but you know, it'll be pretty cool seeing some crazy things that I haven't seen yet. One of my friends has a table over at the convention. One of Dan's friends has a table at the convention that apparently has some crazy shoes. So I'm gonna get a few things done before Dan gets here, and then we'll be on our way. I just gave Daisy a nice little rinse down. She's looking a little pretty right now. I'm waiting on Dan to get here. We're gonna go grab some food on the way over there, and we'll see where this goes. All right, Dan just pulled up, so we're about to head out in a second. I need to close the door and lock it.
I'm high-key hungover.
Hungover?
I'm high-key hungover.
It is super hot in this car, but let's get going. Well, this is gonna be my first time eating an acai bowl. I have no idea.
Hold up. I had a white girl yell at me. Apparently it's acai.
Acai?
Or is it acai?
I think it's acai.
Bro, I don't know. I just know I pronounced it wrong and they yelled at me.
Put the right pronunciation in the comments.
Yo, this shit's fire.
You know, I don't hate it. Not my favorite, but not bad. You getting fancy, bro.
I gotta stay hydrated, especially after the abuse I took.
Get hydrated, bro.
Bro, I abused myself. I have to give myself a little bit of luxury.
You know, I'm gonna get the fancy bottle too, but we going.
Oh wait, whoa, what is this?
Cheap,
I never had
we
that
going the
water. I
cheap
want to
route.
taste this water, bro. We're about to hit. Alright, yo, let's get this quick water review, right? Live right now. Alright, let's get it. It's different. It's soft.
I understand the playing music everywhere, but it makes it really difficult for me to make things not copyright. All right, pretty good turnout at the shoe convention. We're gonna head over to Captree, and there's a photo shoot car meet going on over there, so we'll see what's rolling up over there. All right, we out?
Yeah. There we go. Thank you.
Have a good day.
My man,
You too. Does he need a ticket too or no?
Yeah, I have it.
Got it.
my dude couldn't reach the toll booth. So we just pulled up. There's a bunch of cool shit over here. Oh. They're still taking photos and stuff on the Jeep.
Yes, drop. Put your ass
Yo,
on more.
Go follow Signal Media. What's up?
Son, nigga. Damn, why is it so dark? Yo, you're too black. God damn.
Oh, that's fucked up.
Frank, you too white.
Fuck you.
What it where?
Alright, I gotta get off this thing before I fucking hurt myself.
So a bunch of stuff kind of just head out, but we still got a couple people here. We're gonna, oh, my man's got a sign.
You should have put the sign back. Oh, no, wait. Keep trying to
Dude took the whole sign. But yeah, we still got some stuff. My favorite. Check out this Supra over here.
So it'll really drop it all down anyway.
So on mine, I actually had the interior on the latch.
Crazy.
So it's
All right, I'm gonna set up the gimbal and get some shots.
JR got another one.